We can now create a second stage and role to work with customer questionnaires. So I'll go ahead and turn off this data verification stage here, and I'll click Add Stage, and I'll base this off of data verification. And I will call this Data Verification Customer Questionnaire. I can go through and restrict the document definitions to just the customer questionnaire document definition. The field set I'll leave as is and use default entry conditions and exit routes. I'll also create a new role, and that will be a custom customer questionnaire verifier. And I'll click OK. If I need to, I can move this around. So I'll go ahead and place this stage right after contracts and prices. I'll click on Apply and OK. And next we can start up ScanStation, and we can create a new batch. I'll keep it of the unsorted type, and I'll load some images. So we'll navigate over and select all of these images here. They're loading up. And then we'll go ahead and send these to FlexiCapture. Here we'll select our project, which has been uploaded to the server, and the batch type we're going to leave as default. We created batch types on the project setup station before adding new stages to the workflow, and that means that the batch types inherit the previous workflow, and they're not aware of new stages. So if we create new batch types now, they will inherit the advanced workflow with new stages. All the images have been sent, and we can check these images have been sent to the data verification customer questionnaire queue. We see that these images have been sent to the data verification customer questionnaire queue. That's a custom stage that we just created. We can then open the data verification station, and we'll select the proper project, and we'll select our custom role here. And here's our task. We'll go ahead and get the task, and we can perform data verification. Let's see how Web Verification Station works. I'll go ahead and authenticate. And up top, that's the URL that I entered in. And I will log in as a senior verification operator. And I can click Get Any Task. I've got one task waiting for me. You can see that I've got fields here and images on the left. We can see we have different panes. The middle page viewer pane can be opened up, and I can adjust the zoom here, and I can click on each field as needed, and I can also jump to my next document with errors. We see that we've got some low confidence characters here. I can apply the changes and proceed as follows. We'll just click here and look at the page viewer again. And this actually highlights where that field is. I can hit enter, and rule checking does happen within the browser. when a field with an error is corrected and loses focus, the error disappears from the list, and the field on the data form is not highlighted anymore. Also, we can navigate to the next document, and any changes that we make are saved in the background. Tasks can be completed, rejected, postponed, or sent to a special stage.